Now that you've got the look of your site the way that you want it, let's put some content there. If you go to Pages, you'll get a list of all the pages that exist on your site. I made a home and a contact, and the sample page is just there by default. So if you want to edit a page that already exists, you just click on the name or click on the word Edit. Otherwise, you'll be hitting Add New. For now, I'm just going to work on the contact page. So when you first pull it up, at least on the contact page, since I've already put some stuff in here, this is the kind of screen you're going to see. It has Visual Editor. If you click this button that says Switch to Editor, you'll get Visual Text and Page Builder. Page Builder will get you back to where we want to be. But if you want to just see the text of the page without any pictures or formatting or things like that, Visual or Text will show you that. But when you make changes, you can only make them in one of these items. So you want to, when you're building the page, if you start using Page Builder, keep going with Page Builder. Now on a different page, if you want to use just the visual, you can. But if you've already used Page Builder, then start using that. For visual, you just click down in this section, or highlight whatever you want, start typing, and it will be there. You can highlight and change fonts, colors, indentation, just all sorts of things there. In the Page Builder, how it works is there's first a row, and it asks how many columns do you want in this row. So for now we want maybe just 2 columns, and they should each take up half the screen. If I want one to be bigger, I can click and drag in this middle part and resize it. If I have 3, I can send them independently. But for now we'll just do 2. Click Insert, and now I've got a row with 2 columns in it. So if I want to put something in the left side, click it so it's dark blue, and hit the button up top that says Add Widget. Widget is what kind of content do you want to put in this box. I would like to put in maybe just a picture. So if it's just a regular single image, what you want to look for is Site Origin Image. Now if I want to put text on the side, I'll click over here so it's got the blue box again, Add Widget. And you can use this text box, but I'd recommend the Visual Editor. It gives you a couple more options for fonts and things like that. So once you've got something in your item, like you know what the content is, click on Edit. So for this one it's just the text title, and I can you can just type in whatever you want in paragraph forms. You can change the font same as before. When you're done, hit Done in the bottom right. Now for image, when I do edit, I click on Choose Media, and it will prompt me to upload a file from my computer or choose Media Library for a picture that's already been uploaded. No uploads though, so we have to select a new one. Alright, so I'm just going to pick a default picture, just something to put there so that we have something. Then hit Set Media. Now image size, how big do you want it to be? As full is the actual size of the picture, and then these ones all have set dimensions. We're going to make this one a medium. Title text is info about what will appear on or near the picture. Alt text is for people who are using a screen reading software. If they can't see what the picture is, this alt text should describe what the picture is to let them know what they're looking at. And destination URL is if they click on the picture, this is a website that they'll be taken to. So if I put in google.com, now when I click on that image, it'll take them to google.com. But don't need to send anybody there. So I've got the picture, and I hit Done. And now if I were to update, right underneath the site name, it will say Page Updated, View Page. There we go. So if I open that in a new tab, and now here's my picture, and here's the text. So if I'm on the actual page and I wish the picture was a little more left or right, up at the top in the black bar there's an Edit Page button. Click on that to get taken back to the page where you can start making those changes. So if I want to move the text over, just slide this over. Now on the ones that I have here already, if you click on Edit, you can see it's this text here. I have no title for it. But the one below it, so that is this text. Now to get the purple background, how I did that is I made it a title, so it would get its own section. Making a title will have these little line breaks in between it. So I made it a title, and I went to Design, Background Color, and made it purple. So only this box is going to be purple because it's only going to be the items that are in this visual editor. So that was the second one. If I go to the third one, you'll find there is no background color because I just want regular text again. So here's the first visual editor box. Here's the second one, that's the title only with the background color. And here's the third one, that's just regular text again. When you have those all set the way that you like, hit the blue update button, and that saves all your changes, makes them live on the internet.